Okay, notice what we've done. We've just sorted the texts that are highest and lowest on the factor. The texts that are highest on the factor should, by virtue of what we saw before, if they're high on the factor, they should have lots of first-person reasoning and interactive inquiry because Hillary is being an interactive arguer. And if it's low, she's being more a wonk and nerd. So one way we can test this is we sorted them, and then we can go back to DocuScope, but not MTV this time, STV. And so we just want to open these individual texts. So Hillary, First Women, First Ladies, First Lady, and First Ladies, which is this text. And we've now, if you just highlight, we can de-highlight, but we can highlight first person and inquiry and interactivity and reasoning. And then we can see why this text has what it has. So conversations are interactive. You know, they're green. And as I, all the reds are first person. And all the green is interactivity, conversations, requests. How could you, which is a question, conversation. And then the blue is reasoning, because and so and also and because. So we see the combination. And one thing you can do is that you can say that the combination of these things create more of an interactive arguer. If you want to extract the text from here, you can actually select the first word that you want to select, and then you go to whatever ending passage you want have, and then you can just do a shift, and that will select it, and then you can go to a Word file. And the Word file will allow you to put it in there. Okay, so if we want to go now to the bottom to see what it's like to have the nerd. Let's go to women orphanage nuns, which she spoke about when she was a U.S. Senator. In 2005, April 11, 2005. So we go back to STV. We open up and she's a senator. So we have to be careful about that. U.S. Senator, 2005, April 11th. Here's orphanage nuns. And now we just do academic and we do public. And if you look at this, you'll see that there is a lot more that's public. Okay, not academic, not okay. So we have for public, Vatican and founding and citizen, institutes, okay, much less personal style. And then the red is the academic, central services, network, a home for, agencies, much more bureaucratic sounding. So again, we can click where you see lots of activity of these terms, click and then hit shift, and then you can cut and paste. And now you've got some indication of what the statistics found. So that is drilling down to see what's going on.